Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So today we have a collaboration and it's an open invite. It's a Spring Tablescape 2022 and the host is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me. Now today we have a co-host and it's Tammy from the Glam Queen of Decor. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated their tablescape. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me all along, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now let's jump right into the video. So did you know that subscribing to the channel is free? And also when you click that like button and even comment below, this helps us to grow on YouTube and we'd love to hear from you. Now remember to use YouTube etiquette. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you the music while I decorate my table. So it looks like I'm all done decorating this table. So let's head on over to the reveal. take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for hosting this collaboration. Okay, so now let's head on over to the place setting so I can show you what I use. Okay, so normally in the party section of the Dollar Tree, you see this place setting, and it's usually in silver, okay? But we inserted some gold utensils in here. Doesn't that look beautiful? I think so. I hope you agree. So now let's head on over to the place setting. So we are moving over to the napkin, and that was a thrifted item, okay, except for that buffalo check scarf. I made that out of a scarf, a napkin, and wrapped it right in there. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving it. So now this pink plate is thrifted. I was so happy to find that. And now this, every once in a while you will see the white dishes with the gold trim. I got this at the Dollar Tree along with that charger. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So we can make a tablescape on a budget. So I am new at making these tablescapes, but I'm really starting to love it. Okay, so now this is the water glass, and the only thing I did was place a stand on it. These items I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And now over here, this wine glass, the Dollar Tree carried a while ago. They used to sell these at Pier 1 Imports. Absolutely trendy and high-end. I'm loving it. And of course, we have to flood the table with some candles. And this little arrangement right here I just made, and I love this arrangement. I'm going to start making more of these. These are so nice. They're great for every area of your home. Now I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day.